Hi, welcome back to Neural Splendor. This is the trucker's quick tip. You stop at the truck stop, get your fuel filters changed, and the engine starts and dies. And now it doesn't want to start. What do you do? The best thing to do is to loosen the filter that's on the engine. That's the pressure filter. Back it off, spin it up till it just touches the gasket, back it off a quarter turn. Now go in and key the engine on, but do not try to start it. You'll hear the lift pump run. When the lift pump times out in about 2.5 minutes, turn the key off for a couple minutes. You have to leave it off a couple minutes so that the ECM goes back asleep, otherwise it won't reset the timer on the electric lift pump. Then you key back on. You let it run for a couple minutes. Probably around the third key cycle or fourth, fuel will start running out of the fuel filter on the engine. Then tighten the fuel filter up to spec and then shut the key off. Do one more key cycle. Let it run till it just stops, the lift pump just stops running, and then crank the engine and it should fire within about 20 seconds. If that doesn't work, you'll have to have a tech loosen the high pressure fuel line at the common rail, the line that comes from the injection pump head. That's the only line that's safe to loosen. If there's any fuel pressure in there, that'll vent it. He'll have to loosen that 3 or 4 turns, and then you'll have to crank the engine until fuel starts to run out around the nut. Then you stop cranking the engine. You tighten that line to spec. It's torqued. Make sure you torque it. And then the engine should start in just a second or two once you start cranking it. See you next time on Neural Splendor.